All right, TP Nation. Our Eufy camera has been installed. What I did was I placed it right here on my door. Now, this was the previous spot of the Ring camera that I had. So it's kind of basically simple, just to, just take off one camera and then to screw the other camera in it. So this is where I have placed the camera. You can see it's kind of nice looking. Maybe I might put up a notice for people to ring the doorbell, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Um, but we'll see. We'll see. We got to get this um, fixed through here. But you can see where I have it mounted at. It does have mounting brackets. Now, these nails on the side of the house we use to hang up Christmas decorations and things. We hang up Christmas decorations. So never mind that. But it's nice. It mounts on the wall real nice. I think it looks good. I think it looks really nice. And I've got the chime mounted in the house. I just pressed the chime, thought maybe you can't hear the chime because the chime is actually inside the house. But it does work really good. I really like it. I'm impressed with Eufy. As you know, we've got the camera 360 and we have the regular solo cam 40. But I'm actually going to order a new another 360 to put on the back of my house. I really like Eufy products. I suggest buying them. I got this one here off of Amazon. You can find it on eBay. They're not that expensive. And remember, this is battery operated, so you don't have to have any wires ran to it. The chime has to be plugged into a socket, though. But I needed that because with my regular Ring, it doesn't have a chime. Here's my Ring right here. Doesn't have a chime. It just rings your cell phone. But what if you don't have your cell phone on you, um, and somebody comes to the door and rings it? You're not going to hear it if you don't have your cell phone on you. So I bought this camera with the chime. I'm very pleased with it, man. Go out and get you one. It's well worth the money. It's not a lot of money. It might be $100, $115 or something like that. Go ahead and get you one. I think you'll be thoroughly satisfied with the product. As you know, we're changing our homestead one day at a time. We're bringing in products so that people can, improve their homes. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride. I've showed you how the opening box of the Eufy video doorbell. Um, didn't need to show you any installation because it's so simple. Um, Showed you a video. What I might do is do a collection video of a nighttime view so that you'll be able to see what it looks like at nighttime. So y'all stay tuned. Taylor's Pride Homestead. Peace. All right, guys, this is the view of the Eufy camera. As you can see now, it has been installed. It is showing me walking up on the porch. Hi. So it's showing you now. That's what it looks like. It's pretty good. Let's see, you can zoom out on the camera. We are zooming out. You can look far to the right, far to the left. Um, I think overall it's a great camera. Response time is good. As you can see, it's showing you the daytime vision. Let's see how close I can get. So this is a clip just to let you see. Um, the response is great. Let's see here. Now, shows you the color of me. So you